What's good with y'all? Back with another video, and today, I don't know what we have in store for today. Let's take a look at the yard. First, we're gonna start by cleaning out the Honda. A little work hard, been driving back and forth. It's filthy, but I did get some stuff for the Camry, as far as the spark plugs and other stuff. But we're gonna end up dropping this off today, so we're gonna be stuck, left with the silica and that car. I have no cars in the yard right now, so that's the situation. Changed the front tires out because they were rubbing. Gotta tighten the lug nuts on this, so I got the NGK and along with the spark plugs, same brand. So we're gonna get that done. Drop this off at the shop. Going to end up pulling this inside the garage seal. Need to vacuum this out. I don't know the last time we washed it. Don't really drive it much, but we're gonna clean this out too. I'm gonna end up ordering some coilovers for this too, so we have a little better ride when we do take it out. And then 9 times out of 10, I'll probably end up getting this car painted before this one, because clearly, you see, I don't want to ride around like this. And I do have a color for the paint job that I want to get for this car too, so excited about that. This car eventually gonna get painted or wrapped. It's not too bad. I mean, there's little teeny imperfections, but nothing too crazy, so it still gets a lot of attention when we go to shows and stuff, as y'all seen. But yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on today. I might try to do some of the body work before we drop the Camry up. But right now I'm just gonna clean the cars out. And as you seen, I got the garage clean too, so that's another plus. Probably gonna have to end up power washing the floors before we get the power ran in here, but that's another little update. But let's get this stuff done real quick.
A few moments later.
So my car is complete. Spotless on the inside, clean. So let's go ahead and vacuum this one out. And then, I don't know, it's too nice outside not to do no body work for the car. So I think I'm gonna do as much as I can now before I take it to the shop and get everything fixed. Let's see, I haven't started this in about 2 weeks. Just like that, this is now clean. I was just looking the car over, so I see I do need to go to the junkyard and get me a freaking sun visor. Probably will pick up another piece right here, since it's like, I don't know, somebody cigarette burn or something, I don't know. But then it probably actually came from this cigarette lighter. Looked like it fell and hit that. But I'm gonna need another one of these. That's about it. I do need to get some touch-up paint, because you see this is starting to fade, so I'm gonna have to get that. Other than that, this car don't really need anything. Yeah, it's really too nice of a day to let this go to waste. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some more of the body work done now. I'm not gonna do it inside the garage, of course. I'm gonna do it right where it's parked. Also gotta put on the other headlight, but I definitely gotta get this body work done. That way, when I do get the car back, we just go ahead and get it painted. All right, so one situation I gotta figure out is what I'm gonna do about the freaking screws. Cause I'm gonna have to file this down. It's gonna come up to here. It's definitely gonna show, so I think the best thing I could do is sand it down all the way around the corners and just expose the screws and just get it painted. That's the best thing I could do. That's the best thing I can think of right now. And I might also fill these gaps up right here and not expose the line. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna hit this part right here before I go over with the other putty, because we got a lot of extra fiberglass and crap that we definitely gotta get off. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this, and I hope the battery is still charged up from last time. All right, so the headlights is not actually on here. I was just trying to make a guide to see how much I gotta add. As you see, there's still a gap right here, so I'm gonna have to add a little bit onto this bumper to fill that gap. Cause right here, you see the difference? There's no gap. And then right here, there's a huge gap that I have to take care of. So I gotta make a little template, run some fiberglass right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work on this. So I might as well go ahead and try to knock that out now. But I sanded this part down as much as I could for right now. I'm definitely gonna have to go back over it with some Bondo and fill the gaps. Like I said, I still gotta figure some situation out with that and these screws. But I'm getting it done, slowly but surely. I still gotta take care of this side. I might have to pull it out there so it won't get all over this car too. But yeah, and then this whole side right here needs to be done. So pretty much all I'm doing when I take it to the shop is upgrading my spark plugs and wires to the NG case you see on the inside. I'm also waiting for my headers to come in and the suspension, the tie rods and stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the car inspected so we can actually drive it like I told y'all in the last video. And pretty much from there, I'm just gonna clean up under the engine bay. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing too crazy, but like I said, the car already sounds good. Probably mainly use this as a work car or something. I'm not too sure, but I love the body. I got some wheels that I have to pick up soon. I'm sorry, I'm talking with the face mask on, but I got some wheels that I need to pick up for the car. They're actually 18s. But yeah, she coming along slowly but surely. And then when we get to the shop, I'm also gonna look over the Mazda 3. We're gonna take a look at that. So that's pretty much today's event. I don't know if there's a meet tonight because I haven't been in a while, so I might pop out to a meet if there's one going on. But right now, I'm just trying to get all the projects together and get stuff done before it starts getting too cold outside. But like I said, I'm getting lights and stuff inside the garage soon, so we'll have a little heat when it's like really cold outside. But my goal for this year, like I said last year, was to get 5K. I'm only 900 away from 5,000 subs, which is unreal for real. So next year it's 10,000. That's the goal. We're gonna hit 5K before the year is out for sure. So my goal is 10,000 for next year. But yeah, I appreciate all the support and love that y'all been showing lately. So it's really motivating. It really got me motivated. So yeah, doing all I can right now. I'm gonna pick back up with y'all when we get to the shop, check over the Mazda 3, and then some more updates. See y'all then. Last package is here. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, you too. Be safe out there. All right, that manifold is here. Got it all wrapped up in here. Let's see what it looks like. I don't really want to take it out the package, but I was looking for the gasket. There's one piece, and Can't find the main back piece, which is a problem. Might have to get a gasket for it. Unless I use, man, it's kind of pissing me off. Should definitely be in here though. There we go. Whew, scared me. All right, got everything. Now I'm ready to go. Change the tires, tighten the lug nuts up. I ended up having to freaking change the stud on one side because another stud broke. Put the headlights back in just for the ride. Now the only thing I have to do before we leave is put a license plate on here. All right, on the way now. Kind of pissed off because the manifold that I had for this car, it ended up being the wrong one, so I'm returning that first thing tomorrow morning so we can get the right stuff. Other than that, we about to go check with the Mazda 3 and I'll give y'all a little update on that car so we can see the inside and what's actually wrong with it, because he's actually at the house, so we're gonna get a chance to talk to him and figure out what to do with this car. So, but yeah, about to get this on the road. First thing we got to get.
And he told you that was a turbo car?
Nah, I already seen it as a Mazda 3. I thought it was Mazda 3 Speed. The Speed, yeah, I seen it.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, but you was talking about this part right here. Yeah, I know I can fix that myself, so. Yeah, I can take care of that. And that's on both sides, I believe, but it's clean on the inside. We just definitely gonna have to replace the engine for sure.
That's right. Yeah, but it's definitely have to have that engine in. The number 2 and number 3. Yeah, they the one when you took the plugs out, you take the compression, I blew water all up in here. Yeah, so he drove it a while with it being hot. Yeah.
It was a clean car. I see they going for like 2,000 to 4,000.
Oh yeah.
And I only paid $5 for it.
There
so
you go. That's right.
why I said I can put the engine in there and still make some money off of
flip
it.
it if you want to.
Right.
That's right.
Well, this is gonna be a nice little work car.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
You seen the side of it? You like it?
I can't do it anymore.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
That's nice.
I see it says Bose, so you already know the sound system good.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's exactly right.
Yeah, but I guess this be the last thing we work on right here. Yeah, there's another little walk around this car. And you see the SUV over there. All right, as you see, it's a new day, back at the house. I don't have any more vehicles now. Pretty much every car is at the shop getting some work done. Like I said, the Celica is what I have left and my little work car. But other than that, we're gonna get these projects complete very soon. As far as the paint, coilovers, wheels, all that be coming up in the upcoming video. And like I said, I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And for this video, I'm out. I'll catch y'all next time.